How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Whether you are taking a break or just stepping away for a while, it's super easy and I will walk you through the process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in with your Instagram account. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. Once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner and you will enter the settings page. You simply need to tap on account center once you are in the settings page. And from there, you simply need to scroll down and tap on personal details. And on the personal details section, you simply need to tap on accounts, ownership and control. Now, from the two options, simply tap on deactivation or deletion, and this will lead you to your account. Simply tap on the account that you want to delete, and Instagram will ask you to simply deactivate your account or delete your account. Before you make your selection, it's important to know the differences between the deactivating your account or deleting your account. By deactivating your account, your profile will become hidden from the Instagram until you decide to reactivate. But if you choose to delete your account, your profile and all the data associated with it will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to get it back. So to simply deactivate your account, you need to select the first option. After selecting the first option, you can simply tap on continue. Now the Instagram will ask for your password before deactivating your account. You simply need to type your password and hit continue button. And after doing that, your Instagram profile photos activity will be hidden until you log it back and reactivate your account. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.